Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Ford Fiesta headlight bulb. Before starting, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Wearing clean gloves is crucial to avoid touching the new bulb's glass, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Now, let's get to the headlight. First, open your car's bonnet and secure it safely with the prop rod. You'll typically find 2 or 3 screws holding the headlight unit in place. Remove these carefully. Once the screws are out, gently slide the entire headlight assembly forward and then lift it to release any lower mounting lugs. Finally, disconnect the electrical wiring plug from the back of the unit. With the headlight unit free, you can now access the bulb. Remove the rubber dust cover from the rear of the assembly. Next, rotate the bulb holder about 1/4 turn counterclockwise and gently pull it out. Carefully remove the old bulb from the holder. Take your new bulb, align its tabs with the slots in the holder, and push it firmly into place. Remember not to touch the glass. Almost done, reinsert the bulb holder into the headlight assembly, rotating it clockwise to secure it. Replace the rubber dust cover, ensuring a tight seal. Now, reconnect the electrical wiring plug to the back of the headlight unit. Carefully slide the headlight back into its original position, ensuring all mounting lugs engage, and then tighten the 2 or 3 retaining screws. Finally, turn on your lights to confirm the new bulb works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.